Straight out of compton, crazy motherfucker named IQ. From the gang, call him niggas with attitude. When I'm called up, don't fall off, pull the trigger and bodies are hollow. You boy, if you fuck with me, please you're gonna have to come get me off your ass. That's how I'm going out, for the punk motherfuckers that's showing out. They just got mumble, they wanna rumble, cook them up in a pot like gumbo. Going off on a motherfucker like that with the cat that's pointed at your ass. So, give it up, moving, no telling when I'm down for a jack move. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms to come and gone, leaving a vision that was not a given ray. It is my life, 10 shades of gray. I pray all time fade away, seldom pays for the sunny days. And like the promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I've lost to bring my life to a new, clear blue and unconditional. Trying to dry tears from my eyes, no more only cries. My only bleeding ocean for the broken can't cope with such ignoring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame shooting pain into your own veins? What a shame you're shooting into someone else's brain. You claim it insane in this day and time for falling made a crime. They say the system got you fixed into your own mind. Dreams of hopeless aspirations and hopes of coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and you. I kissed a girl and I liked it, because her cherry chapstick. I kissed a girl to try it, oh my boyfriend don't mind it. Here's a murder rap, keep dancing, the time record like protesting. My AK-47 is the tool to make me happy, a motherfucking fool. You and me can go toe to toe, no maybe I'm not gonna keep this out of box daily, weekly, or monthly and yearly, until the dumb motherfucker sees clearly that I'm down with the capital CBT. You can't fuck with me. So when I'm in your neighborhood, you better duck. I do as fuck. When I leave, believe I'm stomping, and when I'm coming back, boy, I'm coming straight out of compton. When the sun shines, we'll shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took an oath, I'ma see it out till the end. Now it's raining more than ever, but we'll always have each other. If you can stand under my umbrella, you can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, hey, 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 under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, hey, hey.